Imagine this: a single scientific experiment that could have ended the world. Not a nuclear bomb, not climate change, but a machine so powerful that even scientists feared it could create a black hole and swallow the Earth. In 2008, that machine was turned on, and ever since, some believe we've been living on borrowed time. Welcome to Brain Drop. Today's capsule might just blow your mind. Beneath the surface of Switzerland and France lies a 27-kilometer ring called the Large Hadron Collider. It's the most powerful particle accelerator ever built. It fires protons, tiny building blocks of matter, at near the speed of light and smashes them together. Why? To recreate conditions similar to the Big Bang and uncover the hidden laws of the universe. But with that much energy packed into such a small space, what could go wrong? Right before the LHC was activated, a group of scientists, journalists, and concerned citizens raised alarms. They believed the collisions could produce a micro-black hole, a tiny tear in space-time. And even though it would start small, it might grow faster than we could stop it. Some argued that a black hole might form, sink to the Earth's core, and consume everything. In 2008, two men took CERN to court. One was a nuclear safety officer, the other a chemist. They filed lawsuits in Europe and the US, trying to halt the activation of the collider. They weren't asking for much, just a full safety assessment. But CERN responded with full confidence. There is no danger. The lawsuits failed. The countdown continued, and the world watched. So where did this fear really come from? According to Stephen Hawking, micro-black holes could exist, but they'd evaporate almost instantly. Others disagreed. They believed the LHC might accidentally create a stable black hole, one that would fall through Earth, get stuck at the core, and start consuming matter, slowly, until nothing remained. Sound far-fetched? Even NASA reviewed the theory. On September 10, 2008, the Large Hadron Collider powered on. People around the world waited, some through end-of-the-world parties, and then the first beam of particles collided. The Earth didn't explode, but something did happen. The collider suffered an electrical failure, just 9 days after activation. Some called it a coincidence, others a warning. After the initial fix, CERN went bigger. In 2012, they announced the discovery of the Higgs boson, often called the God particle. This confirmed part of the standard model of physics, but behind the scenes, scientists were still asking, what else are we messing with? Dark matter? Antimatter? Extra dimensions? These aren't sci-fi terms, they're real scientific frontiers, and we're poking them. In 2015, the LHC was upgraded to nearly double its power. Some theories suggested this might unlock parallel dimensions, or reveal something we're not ready for. One scientist even said, "We're opening a door. We just don't know what's on the other side." Still, experiments continued, and the machine kept growing stronger. Here's the darkest thought of all. What if a black hole was created, and we just don't know it yet? What if it's sitting at the Earth's core, growing slowly, silently, waiting? Some scientists say, impossible. Others aren't so sure. The Large Hadron Collider is still running today. It's one of humanity's greatest achievements, but also, maybe, its most dangerous gamble. We're unlocking secrets of the universe, but as we dig deeper, are we ready for what we might find? This is Brain Drop, mini capsules of truth that explode in your mind.